Let's check our farm submission request through our routes and into our controller and see how we can submit our farm. So still we have not seen our views and layouts. So and let's open our controller and in our index just return as return farm with action. This is a very terrible example. I'm returning a view uh, farm in our controller. So still, when we see our view, so we will submit a farm from there. But right now, I am submit a farm in a controller. So action. Mm, so let's concatenate our route helper, and we will set define our route right here. And now method method is equal to post, and under that mm, farm will be input input type is equal to text, and name is equal to email, and input type is equal to submit, and close our farm. So let's get this from this route also to from our resource controller, and, and create test controller and index method with name farm dot index, and let's see into our browser, which is, let's see, set it to our root, and at root we are accessing unexpected create root test controller index farm dot index, and here is index. We are turning index, and let's close. There is a string issue. Uh, let's close that string and close the statement, and public function create. Let's see what we get. So type added to view argument function route. So let remove the function and see syntax error. Let's just remove the action right now because we want to just get the form and make the action empty. So yes, we get the form, and let's see how we can submit that form. So we are getting our form from index method, and now to inject a request, and a request, and just echo die dump our request, request email, and quickly add a post route for uh, create, create, and the method is post, post create. So method posts, and it getting the same directory, but it's now route post test controller create and name farm dot create, and now define the route. Give the string concatenate and give the route helper, and the route name is mm, route name dot farm dot create. So we can check it, farm dot create, farm dot create, and let's submit the farm to farm dot pm run dot shahzad at outlook.com. Submit, and what happened? Um, Input type text, name, email, input type submit, farm action route farm dot create, method is post, input type text, name, name, email, input type submit farm, and public function create request item request email name is equal to, which is email, and let's see if there is an our disable the cross-site route, and web is route. So it's not dumping the request that we are sending to create method from our farm request. So when but it's show in the request in URL. So see, the request has been shown in URL, but it's not dumping in, and we cannot see. So we will see this is farm request, but this is not the good practice to create your farm into your controller. But when we see our views layouts, and we will submit our farm request from our views to send the request to our controller and through a route.